Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer cold fast. We all know the frustration of wanting a cold beer, but only having warm ones on hand. Don't worry, I'm here to help you achieve that perfectly chilled drink in no time. We'll explore several clever and efficient methods that leverage basic science to get your beer frosty in just a few minutes, ensuring you're always ready for a refreshing sip. The ice bath is arguably the most effective method. Fill a bucket or cooler with equal parts ice and water, then add a good amount of table salt, about 1 cup for every 6 beers. The salt lowers the freezing point of the water, making the ice melt faster and absorb more heat from your beer. Submerge your bottles or cans and stir them gently for about 2 to 3 minutes for a perfectly cold brew. Another fantastic trick involves a wet paper towel. Simply dampen a paper towel, wrap it snugly around your beer bottle or can, and then place it in the freezer. The water on the paper towel freezes quickly, drawing heat away from the beer much faster than air alone. This simple technique can get your beer refreshingly cold in about 10 to 15 minutes, making it a great last-minute solution. Beyond these methods, consider a few extra tips. Always use a cooler with a mix of ice and water, not just ice, as water conducts heat more efficiently. Also, pre-chilling your glassware can significantly help maintain your beer's cold temperature once poured. For everyday storage, keep some beers in the coldest section of your refrigerator, typically the back or bottom shelf, for consistent coolness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.